Hey there, fellow coffee lovers and connoisseurs of the bean. Today, we're about to dive into the world of coffee, and we've got something truly special to talk about: the Stanley French Press 48 ounces with double vacuum insulation. If you're a coffee enthusiast who craves the perfect brew anytime, anywhere, then this is the coffee press you've been dreaming of. It's not just any French press, it's a game changer that elevates your coffee experience to new heights. Imagine this: you wake up in the morning, and with the Stanley French Press, you not only make an incredible cup of joe, but you can also keep it hot for up to 4 hours. Yes, you heard that right. No more rushing to drink your coffee while it's still hot. And if you prefer iced coffee, it can keep it cold for up to 9 hours. Intrigued? Well, keep watching, because we're about to explore the remarkable features of this coffee press that will revolutionize your coffee rituals. Make now, drink later. Let's start with what sets the Stanley French Press apart: its double vacuum insulation. This isn't your ordinary coffee press, it's a thermal marvel. It not only brews your coffee to perfection but also keeps it at the ideal temperature for hours. You can make your coffee in the morning and enjoy it piping hot even during that afternoon meeting or on your commute. And if iced coffee is your jam, it'll stay refreshingly cold for hours. It's like magic in a coffee press. Tough and durable, quality matters, especially when it comes to something you rely on daily. Stanley understands that, and that's why they've designed this French press with 2 layers of naturally BPA-free 18/8 stainless steel walls. It's tough, durable, and built to withstand your adventures, whether you're sipping coffee in the great outdoors or the comfort of your home. The mesh plunger is strong enough to keep animals in their field but fine enough to keep coffee grounds out of your cup. It's a testament to Stanley's commitment to excellence. Easy to clean. Nobody wants to spend precious time cleaning up after their coffee-making ritual. Stanley gets it, and that's why every piece of this French press is dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to more time enjoying your coffee. How to use: using the Stanley French Press is a breeze. Simply place your favorite coffee grounds in the French press, add boiling water, and give it about 5 minutes to brew. Then, press the steel plunger, and you're ready to savor a fantastic cup of coffee to kickstart your day. It's the perfect way to ensure a rich and flavorful brew every time. In conclusion, the Stanley French Press is a must-have for anyone who takes their coffee seriously. With its double vacuum insulation, durability, easy cleaning, and simple operation, it's a game changer for coffee lovers everywhere. If you're ready to enjoy the perfect cup of coffee anytime, anywhere, click the link in the description below to make the Stanley French Press yours today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your coffee experience. Click that link and let the Stanley French Press be your coffee companion on every adventure and every morning ritual. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to many more moments of coffee perfection.